So hello guys, and welcome to this video, and today is a video of a new crypto coin that I have found myself doing my own research and also just looking through Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. I have found the next possible 100 times coin which could possibly follow the same movement that Safemoon did. So before I tell you what this coin is, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new and also leave a like. Discord link is in the description if you'd like to join that, and also my Instagram and all that stuff is down there as well. So let's get into it. So the coin is called Orfano or Orfano. Basically this is a UK based crypto coin that is basically growing very fast. As you can see here, only 17,700 people hold this coin overall. We've had people like Akon and a lot of other celebrities, I'm Just Bait, and other basically people sharing this coin about, so it is gaining traction very quick. If I just refresh it here, 16 more people have just added it to their address. So this coin, if you guys don't know what this is, it's a coin that is not just a crypto coin, it's a charity coin. So it's not just giving back to you, it's giving to an organization. So what this coin basically does, it's a unique rug pull proof coin molded by the community, looking to benefit the lives of orphans in the poorest countries. This is obviously Africa, which Akon's working to do as well. So basically the tokenomics basically is very similar to Safemoon. It gives back to people holding this coin. So 2% gets directly given back to charity of every single transaction. So very similar to the Safemoon, where 10%, 5% gets given to you and 5% gets locked. 2% gets given to charity, Save the Children. 2% redistributed, almost like the Safemoon 5%. And 2% auto liquidity, which gets locked away, basically burnt. So 6% tax just on this coin with every single transaction. Safemoon has 10%, or basically 12%. This has 6%, but it's going to a good cause as well, charity. So the roadmap of this coin, they've gone past token pre-sale, token launch, and audit. Their next step of this is to list on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Blockfolio listing. And CoinMarketCap is basically the big one, the same as CoinGecko. This will pump this coin huge. Once this coin does get listed onto CoinMarketCap, this will go big, just because CoinMarketCap has their own basically way of showing recently added cryptos, and when this does get added, it will be on the top of the list. So when you see here, I guarantee you it will have it up top here and it will grow. It will easily go up by 5%, because obviously this is pushing this out to a wider audience, and people can then see this token rather than just seeing it on Twitter and other things. So this is a next movement for this coin. The coin is currently sitting at 75, has had a bit of a dip, but I bought at around about 50, and I've already doubled money before. I bought 1,300,000,000, and the all-time high it hit was 100. So there's movement to go. The market cap is currently at 55 million, so there is still room to go, but people are putting big orders in, as you can see here. So I'm very bullish on this token. It's still very early stages. It's a UK company and it's looking very good. So the way to buy it is you have a MetaMask account, have your Binance coin on the MetaMask account, then go to PancakeSwap and buy it. Obviously it does sound very hard, but I'm going to, in the next few seconds, tell you and show you how to buy. So these are the two founders, Hanad Hassan and Ahmed Mohammed. These are the two UK based founders. Obviously, like I said, I'm Just Bait and Akon are promoting this, and other UK influencers are obviously promoting this too. So I'm going to show you guys how to buy this crypto. So what you got to do is go over to PooCoin charts, and this will have obviously the live price and obviously all the orders. But what you're going to do is go to trade up the top here, press onto that, and that will take you to where you buy Orfano. So where you have the BNB tokens on here, linked to your MetaMask account. Make sure that is linked by clicking the top right. Put the whatever you want to put in. So I put 0.001 because I haven't got any money left. And already it says I'll be having 7,400,000 Orfano. So literally press swap and confirm swap, and then you got to go to your MetaMask account. There will be a gas fee. Obviously I can't afford it right now because I've got no money on there, but all you got to do is just press confirm. And once you've done with this, it should go through the next few seconds. Then you head over to your MetaMask account, go to add token as you see here, and what you want to do is custom token and copy. This is the confusing bit. You want to go over to the bit I've just highlighted here, link will be in the description as well. Copy that, that is the contract of Orfano, and you want to paste that into your MetaMask code. Go into custom, paste that in, and then it will come up with Orfano, and you can then be able to see your balance just on your MetaMask account. So guys, that is how you buy Orfano. I'm very, very bullish on this coin. It's very, very cheap. It's the same price that I bought Safemoon in, but interest is gaining very, very fast. Let me just do another refresh. As there you go, another 30 people have just bought. So it is getting interest very, very fast. And obviously the more people that share this and buy, the more money you will be getting into your MetaMask account, because obviously you get given, and also you're giving to a good cause, Save the Children. So up to you guys, but this is my punt. I am very bullish, like I said, and hoping for a bit of an increase, because I am bullish. I'm going to hold for a few weeks, possibly months. Who knows what happens? But yeah, guys, so I just wanted to give you my next crypto that I am buying. I'm not telling you to buy it, but that's just my opinion. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think about this crypto, because it's interesting to find out your opinions. So like I said, guys, if you're new, hit the subscribe button and also leave a like. And yeah, peace out, people. See ya. Bye.